Hi, Harrison Hill. I wanted to do a science experiment that demonstrates this word right here, absorption. Absorption means to soak up. When you use a sponge to clean up water or a spill, that sponge absorbs or soaks up the liquid. If you are outside and it's a sunny day and you have on a black shirt or something, then black or dark colors, black, navy, dark colors absorb the heat from the sun more so than a light color, white, pink, yellow. So absorption means to soak up. This experiment is called walking water. And in order to do this experiment, you need some clear containers. These are just water bottles that I took out of my recycling. I pinched them together and I cut them off. You might want some help or might need some help to do that so that you don't hurt yourself or cut yourself. You also need just some plain water. You need some paper towel. You can use napkins as long as they're thick enough napkins to absorb. And you also need food coloring. Just regular, I got this at Dollar Tree a long time ago. So what you do is you set out your clear containers and you want them to be clear so you can see what is going on, what's happening. And you're going to take your food coloring and you're going to whatever colors you want. If you don't have all the colors, you don't have to use all the colors. You can do this with just 2 colors. So I'm going to put in about 5 drops in the first container. Okay, this first one. And then I'm going to skip the second one and I'm going to go to the third one and I'm going to put the yellow, which kind of looks orange right now. But when water's added to it, it'll look yellow because it'll dilute it. Skip, put in the green. Skip the next one, put in the blue. And then what you're going to do is you're going to then add your water. Wherever there's color, that's where you're going to add your water. And you're going to fill the container, whatever container you have, up about halfway. Just eyeball it. Don't have to measure. Okay. All right. Now you can add more or you can do less. I'll show you one that I did as an example in a minute. You're going to take your paper towel and you're going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again. Okay, so I went ahead and did some. Then you're going to make like a tent and you're going to put the paper towel in the first container, one end in the first container, one end in the second container. Okay, get another piece of paper towel, fold it like a tent, put it in the empty second container and in the third container that has the colored water. Fold another one like a tent. Put it in the third and fourth. Get some ordinal numbers in there. Fold the next one like a tent. It will go in the fourth and the fifth container. And again, you don't have to do this many. I just like to make kind of like a rainbow look here. Get the next one. Make a tent. Okay. And then the next one. Make a tent. And I'm not going to use that one. Okay. So when the absorption starts, you'll see how the water is walking up the paper towel. And then you'll leave it like that for a while. You can leave it like that for a day. You can leave it like that for 2 days. Or it can also start in an hour or so. So I'm going to show you one that I did a while ago. earlier today, actually, to show you how it ends up. Now, I did exactly the same, only I used bigger containers. And you'll notice that you can see the color difference. This is red. This one was empty, and now it has orange water in it because the red and the orange combined to, the red and the yellow combined to make the orange. And then the yellow and the blue combined to make green. And then the blue and the red combined to make purple. So I did this one a little bit differently, but I made a rainbow of walking water. See if I can lay these out so you can see them all. Not making too much of a mess. Okay, so you'll see that they mix together. So not only is it an absorption lesson, but it's also mixing colors. So a little bit of art and science together. Try it at home. Have fun. Remember to ask first.